Hey there. Come on in, take a breath, and just let your shoulders drop for a second. My name is Leo, and I'm really glad you clicked on this video today. I want to tell you a secret right out of the gate. I am terrified of looking foolish. Like, genuinely. For a long time, I thought that to be successful or to speak a new language or to just exist in public, I had to be perfect. But that's a trap, isn't it? It keeps us frozen. It keeps us from trying. So today, you and I are just going to talk. I'm going to share some thoughts, and I want you to just copy the rhythm of my voice. No pressure, no tests. If you trip over a word, who cares? I'll probably trip over one too. We're in this together. Think about the last time you wanted to say something, but you stopped yourself. That little voice in your head whispered, what if you mess up the grammar? What if your accent sounds weird? It's exhausting, right? That constant self-policing, it's like walking on eggshells inside your own mind. But here is the truth. Mistakes are not a sign that you are failing. They are literal, physical proof that you are trying. They are the gears turning. Think about a baby learning to walk. They fall down constantly. It's kind of their main thing. But nobody looks at a toddler and says, wow, what an absolute failure. Look at them lose their balance. No, we clap, we cheer, because we know that falling is just part of the data collection for learning how to stand. So, how do we stop being so afraid? Well, first, we have to lower the stakes. This conversation right now, the stakes are zero. It's just you and me in a safe, quiet room. I want you to try leaning into the awkwardness. When you say a word and it sounds a bit clunky, just laugh it off. Literally just go, well, that sounded weird, and keep moving. The magic happens when you realize that the world doesn't end when you make a mistake. People aren't judging you as harshly as you think. Honestly, most people are too busy worrying about themselves to notice your minor slip-ups. It's a beautiful realization, actually. Everyone is the main character in their own drama. You're just a background character in theirs. They'll forget your mistake in 5 seconds. I remember when I was trying to learn something new, I was so stiff. I sounded like a robot. Because I was trying to control every single syllable. I was trying to force it. But fluency, or confidence, or whatever you want to call it, it doesn't come from control. It comes from surrender. It comes from saying, I am going to jump into this conversation, and I might make a mess, but I'm going to have fun doing it. Look at your mistakes as milestones. Every single error you correct is a piece of the puzzle falling into place. You can't build the puzzle without the pieces. Let's just do a little bit of continuous talking now. Don't think about the words. Just copy the melody of my voice. It's a beautiful day today. Or maybe it's raining where you are. Either way, it's fine. We are alive. We are learning. We are growing. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your anxiety is to just acknowledge it. Say to yourself, okay, I feel anxious right now. My chest feels a little tight, and that is perfectly okay. You don't have to fix the anxiety to speak. You can take the anxiety with you. It can just sit in the passenger seat while you drive. Just don't let it grab the steering wheel, all right? Your voice is unique. The way you express